today we are going to demonstrate presence of carbohydrate and protein in different type of food items. So first we take sample A and sample B. What we are going to do, we are going to add a few drop of Filix 1 in both the sample and then Filix 2 solution in both the sample. Immediately we can see that both the sample will convert into bluish in color. But when we burn both the sample, you will see in which sample the carbohydrate will be present, that will convert into reddish in color. So let us observe. So here in this sample we can see that carbohydrate was present and it converted into reddish in color. But in the second sample, if we burn it or if we heat it, we can see there will be no change. So after heating also the color is not changing. By this process we can test the presence of carbohydrate in different type of food. The second experiment we are doing to test whether the protein is present or not. To do so, we need to add few drops of ethanol. Then we will wait for a few minutes. You can see the color is changing into white. But once we pour this liquid into pure water, you will see coagulation reaction. So protein, this is the presence of protein. By this experiment, we can show that in any food the protein is present or not. The same experiment if we do with the water, we will see there is no change. So here we take water and then in the water we are adding very little amount of ethanol. Then we will wait for few seconds. We will see the coagulation reaction will not occur. So this is how we actually test protein and carbohydrate in different types of food.